Dear formulators, welcome to the Compounding Formulation channel. I'm Dr. Enrique Alía, and today I bring you a video on how to prepare a Timolol maleate emulsion for the treatment of hemangiomas in pediatrics. The formula is Timolol maleate 0.5%, base of Beeler, quantity sufficient for 50 grams. A formulation where we see that the doctor chooses Beeler base as the emulsifying base. Well, how can we incorporate Timolol maleate into this Beeler base, which is the only problem, if any, in this formula? Well, Timolol maleate is quite soluble in water, so we simply have to dissolve it in 10% purified water. Once this Timolol is dissolved, it is added in small portions to the Beeler base. Timolol maleate is indeed compatible with Beeler base. The final development for the prescribed 50 grams would be Timolol maleate 0.25 grams, purified water 5 grams, Miller's base quantity sufficient for 50 grams, meaning in these 5 grams of purified water, the Timolol maleate will be dissolved, and once dissolved, as we said, it will be added in small portions to the Beeler base. Let's see it in this video. The first thing is to add the Timolol to the purified water and stir with a magnetic stirrer set at high speed until completely dissolved. Once the solution is obtained, it is added in small portions, as we are seeing, to the Beeler base, and we mix until homogeneous. Here we see how we add another portion. We mix until the cream is homogeneous. The next portion is not added. As you can see, an emulsion with high consistency, free of lumps and completely homogeneous is obtained. Well, that's it for today's video. Thank you very much for your attention.